In making these videos about Belgian favorites, I've come to the realization that for us, having a coffee without a little something on the side is apparently a big no-no. We have a vast array of biscuits and pies, but today I'm starting a new series on Koffiekoeken, or coffee pastries. I'm beginning with my personal favorite, Raisin Brioche, known in Belgium as a Ronde Rozijnenkoek. These are soft, buttery yeast dough spirals filled with a rich pastry cream and sweet raisins. I start by weighing out 125 grams of dark raisins and soaking them in a splash of golden rum. If you prefer not to use alcohol, you can simply use water, but the rum adds a beautiful depth of flavor. Next, I prepare the pastry cream. I take 2 egg yolks and add half of my 100 grams of sugar. It's very important when you add sugar to the egg yolks, you must whisk them immediately. If you wait, the sugar will burn the yolks, creating small, hard yellow bits that won't dissolve. I whisk until the yolks turn a pale white. I whisk in 50 grams of vanilla pudding powder. To this slurry, I add just a splash from my 500 grams of milk to thin it out. The remainder of the sugar goes into a pot with the rest of the milk and I bring it to a boil. Once boiling, I transfer about half of the hot milk to the egg mixture to temper the yolks. I then bring everything back into the pot and boil for 1 minute to thicken. The vanilla pudding powder protects the yolks here, so they won't curdle during the boil. I transfer the cream to a tray to cool. And cover it with plastic film, pressed directly onto the surface so no skin can form. I weigh out 80 grams of water and 13 grams of sugar and warm it in the microwave until lukewarm. I add 5 grams of dry yeast and set it aside for a few minutes to activate. You can easily make this dough by hand. Check out my crumble tart video to see that technique. But for this video I'm using my stand mixer. In the bowl of the mixer I weigh 250 grams of flour and 5 grams of salt and give it a short mix. I add 1 whole egg in a water and yeast mixture. The moment the dough starts to form, I add 50 grams of room temperature margarine. I knead for about 10 minutes until a smooth dough has formed. I remove the dough from the bowl and knead by hand for another minute. And then let it rest for 15 minutes under a towel. After the rest, I sprinkle on some flour so the dough won't stick to my work surface or my rolling pin. And I roll it out into a large square. I take my cool pastry cream and loosen it up with a fork. before spreading a thin layer over the dough. I didn't use all of the cream here, you don't want the layer too thick. I then add the drained, soaked raisins and begin to roll up the dough. In editing this video, I noticed a small error. It's actually best to leave about 5 cm of the top uncovered. This is because when you roll the dough, the pastry cream tends to push forward and might spill over. My layer was thin enough that it didn't happen this time, but in the past I have needed it. And a thicker layer can cause a bit of a mess. That said, after tasting these, they could have used a touch more cream, so feel free to be slightly more generous than I was. Using a sharp knife, I cut the roll into slices about 2.5 cm or 1 inch thick. I transfer them standing up into a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. I prepare an egg wash using 1 egg yolk and a splash of water and brush it onto the rolls. I let them rest again for 30 minutes to proof, then bake them in a preheated oven at 220°C 430°F for about 15 minutes. Once baked, I remove them from the oven. While they're cooling, I melt some apricot jam with a splash of water and brush it onto the Raisin Brioche to give them a beautiful glossy finish. As a final touch, I melt some fondant with a little bit of water over a very low heat, just enough to make it liquid. And use a spoon to drizzle it over the brioches. And there you have it, raisin brioches, because apparently we Belgians simply cannot have a coffee without something delicious to go with.